Hi, I'm John David, and welcome to Power Prayer, how to achieve your goals and how to attain more happiness through precision visualization. Thank you so much for taking this course. I hope that you are welcomed into a new life, because that is the name of this lecture, Welcome to Your New Life. And the reason I call it Welcome to Your New Life is because I want this course to affect you, just like a good book or a self-help book even, or even a good novel. It affects you. You take that information in and it changes the way you think, and it enforces the way you do things positively, hopefully, and helps to remove your negative aspects of your life, or the negative things that you do in your life that hold you back. So I want to welcome you to your new life, because you are going to be given a few tools, lots of tools, maybe here and there. To maybe some of you, these are old tools and you bring them out of the toolbox to use them over and over and over again. I am thrilled to be doing this workshop because I am not a spiritual leader per se. I'm not a motivational speaker, but I'm moving into that realm. And this is a course that has been sitting in my heart for probably years. And I just kind of thought, I'll never do that. That's not what I do. And what I do, if you will, is I'm a hairdresser maybe 10% of my week time. It keeps me grounded. It keeps me of service to people. And my whole career is of service. I might have written books. I wrote a book called Mafia Hairdresser way back years ago. And I became kind of labeled as this celebrity, or this celebrity online in social media, which then led me to be a social media consultant, which I do most of the time for small businesses. Welcome to my desk area. This is one desk I have. This is where I kind of do my power prayers. This is where I consult with my clients if I'm going to meet with them in person in my home office. And then over there in that corner of this room is a huge desk where I have big computers, and I can do video editing and so forth for my clients, such as Bank of America. So I have this really cool balance, and I got this balance because of Power Prayer, because of everything I learned to do as far as achieving goals. So as a consultant or as a hairdresser, my goal is to make sure you achieve your goals, whether I'm supporting you by doing your hair and you're going out in the world feeling good with all that good mojo from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet, and maybe some things, words of wisdom I've given you, that is going to help you. So I love being of service. Social media consulting is the same thing. I'm helping you to reach your customers through that online universe called the internet. And it is saying I get to do all of that in one life, and I learned it through Power Prayer. Now, what is Power Prayer? Affirmative prayer. It is scientific prayer. It is scientific mind treatment. Those are terms that have been used for what I'm going to be teaching you. Mine is no different. There's no reason to trademark. There's no need to say this is mine, because this is everybody's. I had learned to pray as a younger child in California, where I grew up, and I'm in Chicago now. I learned that you prayed like this: Dear God, please help me. I need this. I need to pay my bills. I'm unhappy. Please pull me out of my depression. So if you're coming from a feeling of lack or want or need, that's what you're going to get: more lack, more want, and more need. If you want a specific thing like a car or happiness or relationship, that is what you want to visualize and have more of in your mind when you pray. And that is what Power Prayer is. You have a visualization. You can taste your goal. You can feel your positive results. You can see it in your mind's eye, because your imagination is so powerful. Yes, it is. So if you can get that imagination and visualization tool working for you, and you can put that into a prayer, you offer that imagery to your higher power, your God. And by the way, you do not have to be a spiritual person or believe in God or Jesus or Mohammed or Buddha or whatever you pray to. And I don't want to change that. This is going to fit on top of that for those of you who do have a spirituality or religion. But if you're agnostic and that's not your thing, Then we're going to train you how to reach your subconscious, to put those images in your subconscious so you can subconsciously find your goal. It will your subconscious always wants to be right. So if something you visualize up here, it wants to manifest out there to be right. So let's work with that. And we're going to give you a tool called Success Symbol with guest lecturer Roz Place, the Success Symbol expert. Thank you so much for taking this course. I'm real excited. Let's move on to the next lecture where I'm going to jump right in and give you a clearing exercise. Let's do it.